So it's a 1990 Nissan PAO. We've had it for about a year now. The funny story behind it is that our buyer over in Japan, it was like 3, 4 o'clock in the morning, and he kept calling me saying I needed this car. And I don't know how they made the pictures of this car look that bad, but when he was sending me the pictures, it looked like nothing I would actually want. But he kept calling me and telling me, you need this car, you need this car. And finally, I just kind of gave in, and it wasn't until that car got here that it was like, oh my gosh, this is something special. It's the highest rated car that we have ever brought over. It's a 3.5, and the way the rating system works is it's on a scale of 1 to 6. Your average new car is a 4 to 4.5. To get a 6, the Pebble Beach car show, the $1 million cars where every nut and bolt is polished and to the 9s, that's what those guys are trying to get, is a 6. So for this car to be a 3.5, it's basically show quality for the year and mileage and everything. It's a perfect little car, and it's absolutely beautiful. It's unique. Not only the panels and the colors, it's something you can barely find even online, pictures of anything close to it. It's the PAO was only made for 2 years. It's kind of a picnic mobile, if you will. It's got this cool little thing on the stereo that allows the sound to switch from indoor to outdoor. It's got an electric ragtop. Everything works. It's got an automatic transmission. The color scheme in it was from the factory, but it's highly unique, and it's not something that you see every day. Certainly, you know, even online, it's not something that you see all the time. This car was modeled after something obviously way before its time, kind of that steampunkish era. The color schemes in the dash is a modern twist on that styling. And if you look at the gauges and everything, and the lettering on the dash and everything, it's a very happy car. You can't help but to drive it around and appreciate it for what it is, and embrace the slow that it is. It just is a happy experience, happy driving experience with this car. One of my favorites, and I have a hard time, I've got a little emotional attachment to it, and it's just a really super special, neat car.